one thing I think can't be replaced by AI is brands. I feel like brands is a spiritual thing that people connect with on a visceral level, but you could use AI to enhance a brand. So like Nike is a very strong brand. If they start using AI to come up with more designs for clothes and shoes and concepts that we've never seen or heard of, it can make them more competitive. But at the end of the day, people are still going to resonate with Nike. And I think the same thing for personal brands too. So I feel like standing out with your brand, because I feel like when you're selling a brand, you're selling a spirit versus a product. Yeah. Best brands never talk about their product that's proven, but everything else is up for grabs, I think. Everything's up for grabs.
Yeah, that makes me think, because like us humans, we're all about emotions, right? And brands sell emotions. And I'm a marketer, we have to appeal to the emotions of people. That's why they buy the brand. So do you think AI would be able to replicate that emotion? There's still a human or someone prompting that, right?
I think it's only a matter of time before, because I've already trained my AI environments to write exactly like how I write.
Interesting.
And even combine elements of like Paul Graham's writing and other people's writing that I like.
And deepfake is getting crazy.
And yeah, I've already done that for content writing. So it's just deepfake with like now video and visual graphic generation. Everything is just gotten to the point where it's essentially human-esque. And it's just a matter of time before we train it to understand exactly how most humans think, and then train it to create campaigns or create content that appeal to certain emotional elements of humans. Because it's again, at the end of the day, it's science, it's data, and that can be fed into AI. Like you can train it to say, okay, this campaign did well because it appealed to this particular emotion in this demographic, and it's just a matter of time. I feel like there's a lot of things that AI cannot do now, but not very few things that AI can probably never do.
I like how you think.